Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. on a July 3rd, and I'm still waking up. I've been off and on, been up a little bit. I've got the loft right back in the back there, as you can tell in the camera there. We're kind of backed up to a meadow, and I was hoping to goodness that I could get up and see a moose or some deer out there in the field grazing, but no such luck yet. But yeah, we're just out here. They've not got up out of the haven yet. Greg and Jessica, they're still in there. I haven't seen them yet. So as soon as they get up, we're gonna have coffee and maybe a little bit of breakfast, and then we're gonna go down this road right here behind me and continue on this journey. I think it's about another 12 or 15 miles to the hard road. And then we're going to part ways. They'll go back to Glenwood Springs, and I'll head on to Longmont to deliver the loft back to Rossmonster. And then I'll go to the hotel tonight, get a ride from an Uber, and then I got a flight tomorrow to go back out to Portland tomorrow after about midday or so tomorrow, and I go back and get my Echo up at Pat Overland in Portland area. And then after that, I will probably camp out in Washington State for a couple days over the weekend. And Monday, make my rounds in Portland with all the vendors that I know about up there, and then start making my way to Winter Park, Colorado, for this next weekend, not this coming weekend, but this next weekend. I think it's the July 10th, something like that. Winter Park has the Adventure Van Expo, and I'll be there with my Echo there. But I am really enjoying this loft. It is. It took me. I had it since yesterday, or day before that, really, and it's taken me a couple of days to kind of, figure out my organizational things, how I want to store my items in the drawers and all that. So it's been interesting learning all about the different plumbing and the electrical. I'm just not used to a there's a big deer right over there. There's a couple of them.